All right, guys, in today's Boost It, we've got the Edge Comp Box. If you've got a second-gen Ram with a 5.9 Cummins in it, chances are you've heard of the Comp Box. They had an older version that basically everybody had on their trucks. Well, guess what? We're joining the 21st century with the new and improved Comp Box. This thing is going to give you a wireless Bluetooth button on your dash to control your tunes, all the way up to 180 horsepower, 350 foot-pounds of torque gains. We installed one of these on one of my family members' trucks. He texted me 20 minutes later and he was like, dude, this thing's a whole new truck. It's insane. This thing's super easy to install. If you want to check out the install video that we have, we've got an install on this thing on a second gen with a 5.9. Comes with everything to direct tap into your VP44, so no issues there. This thing's super easy to set up. Bluetooth to your phone. You control everything from your phone, or you can control it with the buttons on the dash. If you're looking to join the 21st century with your second gen with a 5.9 in it, this is what you're going to need. If you have any other questions, hit the link in the description or visit dieselpowerproducts.com. We'll help you get exactly what you need for your truck.